Ready to craft your own tactical shooter in Roblox Studio, echoing the precise and deliberate gameplay of Rainbow Six Siege. Let's dive into replicating that signature character movement and creation first. We'll focus on setting up our player's character in Roblox Studio. This means navigating to the Explorer window and understanding the core components. We'll be working primarily with StarterPlayer and its associated folders like StarterCharacters. Inside StarterPlayer, the StarterCharacters folder is where we'll place our custom character scripts. This ensures that whenever a player spawns, our unique character model and its behaviors are loaded. For a true R6 feel, we'll need to import or create our own R6 character model. You can find R6 compatible models on the Roblox marketplace or build one yourself using the rig editor, import it into your game and replace the default character. Now for the scripting, we'll create a new script. Let's call it CharacterHandler, and place it within StarterCharacters. This script will be the brain of our R6 operative. Within this script, we'll begin by accessing the character's humanoid and its properties. This is crucial for controlling movement speed, jump height, and other fundamental aspects of how your character behaves. To replicate the tactical feel, movement needs to be responsive and controlled. We'll use UserInputService to detect keyboard inputs for forward, backward, left, and right movement. Based on these inputs, we'll write code to calculate direction and apply appropriate force or directly adjust the character's frame to move them. This is where we'll define the precise, non-slippery movement that R6 is known for. Jumping will also be handled through scripting. We'll typically disable the default Roblox jump behavior and implement our own functionality, allowing for more control and potentially specific jump mechanics that fit the R6 style. To further refine the movement, think about adding states like walking, running, and perhaps even crouching. Each of these states will require different speed values and potentially different animation triggers, all managed through our script. While not strictly character movement, a proper camera system is vital for a tactical shooter. We'll ensure the camera is set up for a first-person perspective, giving players that immersive viewpoint. With these foundational scripting elements in place, you'll start to see your R6-style character come to life, ready to be further developed into a full tactical experience.